Mr. Potato Head and his bucket of parts, new from Playskool.
Why are Mr. Potato Heads called Mr. Potato Heads?
What are you talking about? They're potatoes. Look.
And hasn't there been like a big thing on this Potato Head now?
Well, yeah, there was a big deal about the gender of it's a potato. It doesn't have a gender. I mean, why did you get this toy?
I mean, like, it was something to do.
Yeah, I mean, did you care if it was a Mr. or a Mrs. Potato Head?
No.
Because it's just a toy that you play with and use your imagination.
Anyways, hey guys, it's Googies, and today we're going to be unboxing these two Mr. Potato Heads.
Yeah, and you're going to be putting them together too, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I might mix up those pieces just a little bit, but I'm not too sure.
Well, all right. Well, let's see, because our lighting is not going to be very great on this one.
Here are the two Mr. Potato Heads.
That's the two Mr. Potatoes. They're just regular potatoes now, people, so let's not get crazy.
Alright, first I'm going to do this one because it's the one that stood up.
All right, so which one is that?
So,
Is it Rockstar Potato Head? Looks like he's got a guitar there.
Yep.
All right.
And this is practically like just a regular daily one.
Yep, just regular old Potato Head. Doing some potato things. Uh-oh, you lost his mouthpiece there.
This is an ear.
That's an ear?
Yes, this is an ear.
Okay. You're gonna put his ear on first?
Yep.
Okay.
Where do ears go? Like, I'm thinking like to put them here. But then like I feel like that's where his...
Well, originally they didn't even have that plastic potato. It was just like the parts, and you would use a real potato.
Okay. I'm just gonna dump this one out here.
Alright.
And then get this one and dump it out here.
And that's all the parts. I don't get confused now.
No. But you can like mix up the parts. Get them some eyeballs. I would really rather use this mask because it looks like a little...
You're gonna use that mouth, huh? What do we got going on so far? Let's see what he looks like.
Everybody looks like something.
He looks pretty goofy.
Yeah. I'm wondering, like, if this connects to the...
What is it?
Like a mustache.
Well, yeah. Look at his mustache. That's what makes him a Mr. Potato Head, because he has the mustache. And if he doesn't have a mustache, he'd be Kid Potato Head. There's all kinds of combinations you could do with this potato person.
Actually, dang it.
It's not even, it's a vegetable. You do lots of things with the vegetable.
Can't use this mouse. I have to use this mouse. Oh, this is difficult.
You can do it.
Why not?
You get it?
No.
Well, does the mustache have a part to it?
No. There you go. I did it.
Alright.
Now I'm gonna give him some arms.
Give him some arms.
Arms. Twist it in there. Next one. There you go. And actually, his hat was supposed to be this way.
His little hat, huh?
And he ended up this or something.
Yeah, it probably goes over the ears. Probably put those on first instead of the hat.
How did they work this guitar?
I don't know, look at the box. Maybe it'll tell you. You can look at the picture. What we got there?
Bruh.
Well, I mean, you know, that's just a cartoon drawing. Obviously, it's not going to work perfectly.
Oh! So on this side, people like put it like right here. So.
Oh, yeah, he's not actually going to hold that guitar.
Here he is.
Well, let's see, where is he? Well, that is one silly looking potato person.
Next, we're going to decorate the other one.
Oh boy, and the other one is just regular Mr. Potato Head, huh?
So I think we should take off all the accessories from this one. So we can like maybe decorate him with the accessories.
Okay. Yeah. And then all the other stuff, he should have 2 arms there too.
Eyes. No, I'm just making sure like he doesn't have like stuff that this guy can have. Oh god, this mouth right here. He has these.
His feet. Took off his green shoes.
Right now we're gonna decorate this potato head.
Okay.
Some people have been making their potato heads look like this.
Yeah, you could make it look anything. You do all kinds of crazy stuff. You could just put eyes on him if you wanted to. You put the eyes on top of his head.
Well, I wouldn't do that because people don't have ears, eyes on top of their head.
How do you know?
They might.
Aha. Sometimes there's, mutations out there. What did you do here? What do we got going on?
I'll show you at the end.
Okay, you're making a silly potato head.
Get on arm. Finally.
So would you say this is an easy toy for kids to use?
No, really. You have to like push stuff like really hard.
Man, what age do they say this is for?
3 and up.
3 and up, huh? Do you think a 3-year-old's gonna be able to do that?
Probably not.
Yeah.
Like this is really hard to push it.
Well, they mass produce these things, so you
And
know.
Mr. Potato, if you're watching this, I'm not trying to cause any offense to you.
I mean, you probably have better luck using a real potato.
Probably, but you know, that is not always like that.
At least some of it goes on there. I mean, obviously you're gonna have to struggle a little bit with it.
Yeah, everything you have to struggle with in life. You have to struggle with most things.
Yeah. What do you try? You always put those glasses on.
And they don't work.
You gotta put the glasses on before. Well, don't you have his mouth up where his eyes should be? Those glasses aren't gonna go on there.
No?
No.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
What did you do there? You get backwards, potato man.
Oh wait, why is his head on him?
You can put other silly stuff on there. There you go. You get his glasses on. They gotta go over the ears.
I think I can actually take off the ears.
Okay.
With the glasses like this. Alright, these glasses are no look.
No, they're not very good, huh?
I actually want to add one more thing.
What are you gonna add to it?
Yeah, I was going to do that. Ready? 2, 1. Upside down potato.
Let me see. Where's this upside down? Oh no. That's,
Upside down now.
he's pretty crazy looking.
Yep.
Then you can put the other feet on top of his head so that way he can walk either way. There you go. There he is. He's walking. Oh wow. If he trips, he doesn't have to worry because he'll just land on his other set of
Yeah,
feet.
he'll be like, oh,
Yes.
maybe not. He'll be like,
That sure is silly.
oh. Yeah, that's practically his.
That's your potato person,
Yes.
huh? So what else you gonna tell us about this product?
Well, really, I really don't know what else to say about this product. All I could say is it could be a little easier for the age.
Yeah.
It could be a little bit easier for the age that they put.
Mm-hmm.
They said like 3+. So they could make the other items a little bit easier to snap in there.
Yeah.
But
So what is the cool feature this thing has?
really, I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
Like,
We just went over it, buddy. The cool feature on the Mr. Potato Heads, remember?
oh, like the accessory?
Where you can store the parts.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
you forgot. Come on now.
Right here.
Yeah, you open up the back, and then you can put all the parts in there.
Yeah, you can like
That's where you store 'em. I don't know if the hat will go in there, but
probably not.
maybe.
Maybe try. Let's see. Put all that.
You can try to put all the accessories in there.
I was like the orange can go in there though. Oh, maybe they can. No, they can't.
No.
Maybe this would. No.
You gotta really cram them in there. They want you to work hard.
Yeah, like 3-year-olds work hard. Like, no. I wonder if the hacking is good.
Probably not. It's not very. Oh, yeah, it does. Yeah, probably like figure it out. Well, there you go. Hey, where's that little potato man I made? What's he doing? There he goes. I got the glasses on, kind of.
Potato man.
Potato Head can't hold his guitar. I don't know why they included that.
Yeah.
Well, there you go. That's him. So, would you recommend that kids get this product?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, it could be fun and use your imagination.
Yeah, like, because when you once you make your potatoes,
Uh-huh.
Mr. Potato or your Mrs. Potato, you can like play with them.
They didn't have Mrs. Potato Head at the store.
Man,
Just the Mr. ones, huh?
it's Mr.
Well, at least they're cheap, right?
Ah,
So that-
like, I forgot how much.
Well, you know, they're usually around $6-7, so
At least they're cheap.
it's affordable. So, well, so that's your recommendation. Buy Mr. Potato Head.
Yeah, I mean, it's not that boring.
Okay.
Like the light brown.
Yeah, that light crown was terrible. Well, what do you gotta say, buddy?
Well, I hope everyone who's watching at home enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see everybody in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.